Welcome to another unboxing. We have two Warner Brothers Mashups by Headstart to open. These are out now at selected department stores and online retailers. And as always, please take a moment to like and subscribe. There are 12 in this series to collect, with 8 standard, 3 rare, and 1 limited edition. There are no listed ratios. On to Water Tower 1. It's Hufflepuff Tweety.
What's this? A letter for me? Well, what do you know?
And Water Tower 2. It's Wile E. Coyote as Batman.
I'm Batman.
This series mashes Looney Tunes characters with DC and the Potterverse, but does a lot of character double dipping, which suggests it may be the first series of more to come. The rare versions are just colour variants, and if you've ever watched one of our videos before, we really don't put much stock in those, and find them quite lazy. Especially when there are many other Looney Tunes characters absent here. And don't even get us started as to why you've got a cartoon villain dressed as Batman. The sculpts are okay, although there are some ghastly seams at connection points. The paint jobs are okay, although again, a few blemishes or just lazy detailing. But for a 2.5 inch collectible, they're cheaper than Funko Mystery Minis and on par with their quality. The Water Tower packaging, which was greasy when we opened, can also be used for display purposes, but really just consumes space. Overall, for the price, if you're a fan of Looney Tunes, DC, or the Potterverse, they're not that bad, and a good first effort for what we can only hope becomes an ongoing series by Headstart. But for now, that's our unboxing.
People of Metropolis, Super Rabbit has your back. No harm will come to you on my watch. That's a promise.
That's all, folks.